In this video, I'd like to talk about the Annke CT1BF. This is a 2 megapixel, so 1080p camera. Now, this works via a standard DVR interface, hence the BNC connector and obviously the DC fly lead. In terms of the field of view, it is a 3.6 millimeter lens, so you'll get around 74 degrees, so it makes it ideal for outdoor applications. In terms of the infrared, now you see this has got no IR LEDs, it's powered up by EXIR, but what's interesting to note about this camera is it has a motion PIR, so if a person walks through and the camera picks him up, immediately a little white light will start blinking, alerting the intruder that he has been spotted and the cameras have seen him, so it'll just give you that extra sense of security. Now in the box it comes with this device here. This is a filter to essentially remove any interference that might bleed back via the coaxial line, so it just plugs in like that. You can plug it in either at the camera end or at the end where the DVR close to the power supply itself. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you.